Hi, this property is for rent and it's a bungalow house located in Dampas, Tagbilaran City. This property is a fully fenced and that's the front of the property. It's a fully fenced and gated, and this is the entrance. So here is the living area, and this is only one floor bungalow type house. And this property is a furnished with high-speed internet, fiber optic line, and it's new renovated house. All things inside is new. So here is the first room. And this room is a queen size bed with split type aircon. And this bedroom has a cabinet. And that's the living area. And here is the dining area. Is the table of 6 persons. That's their kitchen. With cabinets. Here is the toilet and bath with hot shower. And here is the second bedroom. And this bedroom is with cabinet. If you rent it for delay, the rate is 3,500 per day with a maximum of 6 persons. So the kitchen is good and has a good space. And here is the second toilet and bath. Then the second bedroom, the third bedroom I mean, is there's a stairs going up. So here is the third bedroom with a window type aircon. So if you have some questions and clarification, you can reach me through Viber, WhatsApp at 639298903 or 09298903 Thank you very much.